Yes, welcome back children. We are coming to the last video of this session from the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. It is to be analyzed for the fourth week of October assignment. Okay, you have to see this. Short answer question which I have selected 4 questions. These questions were not discussed earlier. Some of it is discussed, but I have selected 4 questions which are not at all discussed in previous modules. So first one is, what is the function of endocrine system? Endocrine system secrete chemicals called hormone. That is the function of the endocrine system. What is it made up of? The endocrine system is made up of endocrine glands and hormones. The endocrine system is made up of, or endocrine system consists of endocrine glands and its secretions, hormones. So you got this first answer. What is the function of endocrine system? Endocrine system secrete a hormone. Okay, endocrine system ultimately secrete a hormone. That hormones control various body functions. That you can say. And what is it made up of? It is made up of, endocrine system is made up of endocrine glands and hormones. Over. That first answer is over. Second answer, name 4 processes that our hormone control. Hormone control many processes. For example, thyroid gland secreting thyroxine control the growth of our body, mental and physical growth. First. Second, adrenaline controls various activities. Adrenaline control body changes during fight or flight, or when we face fear or threat, to help us to face the challenge in critical situations. So adrenaline helps us to face the challenges like critical fear or fight, and help us to run away from the situations. Okay. Now third one, why is third function insulin? Insulin regulates the blood sugar level. Insulin regulates blood sugar. Insulin is controlled or secreted by pancreas, which control the blood sugar level. You got that? Now fourth one, we can say what we call master gland, that is called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland control the secretions from other glands. Pituitary gland also secrete growth hormone, which ultimately help in the growth of our body. And also TSH. What is TSH? I have already told you about it. TSH is thyroid stimulating hormone. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone is secreted from pituitary gland. It is called master gland. Again, ovary produces estrogen and progesterone hormones. They control the sexual characteristics. Males, testes produce testosterone, which also control the sexual characteristics. Now, third question. Why is looking after health important at the age of puberty? Because puberty is the age at which rapid physical and mental growth takes place. Puberty is the age at which rapid physical and mental growth takes place. So looking after health is important at the age of puberty. You got this? So once again, for third question, why is looking after health important at the age of puberty? Because puberty is the age at which physical and mental growth takes place. A rapid mental and physical growth takes place. So looking after health is important at this age. Now last question, what is the final height achieved by an individual primarily governed by? The final height of an individual primarily governed by genes. Genes. G-E-N-E-S. Genes are the factors, you know that genes are factors which we inherit from our parents. Okay, that control the height, not only height, or many other characters. All characters are controlled by genes. Like that, height also controlled by genes. And what is the role of hormones in this process? Yes, hormone helps how the growth or height increases. Hormone control how the height increases. Not only hormone, the nutrition also important in this process. Hormones and nutrition control how the height increases. So that's all from this part of the chapter. Thank you very much.